Hi guys. So I hope you guys have been working really hard with the addition. Some of you that I've seen on Seesaw have been doing a great job making up your own problems. Real quick, we're going to review. Plus addition means put together. Equal signs means we find the answer or the sum. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you a story. I have a book called The Hershey's Kisses Addition Book, and it's by Jerry Payolta, and it's illustrated by Rob Bolster. So if you look, it's got Hershey Kisses. So I've seen that some of you have been using candy or gummies or whatever. So we're just going to read through this book and talk a little bit about addition. So here we go. The Hershey Kiss Addition book. There's the title page, and it tells me that the author right here is Jerry Payolta, and it's illustrated right here by Rob Bolster. And the author writes the story, and the illustrator draws the picture. Milk chocolate plus math equals fun. Here are some math terms that will help you while reading the book. This is a plus sign. It is used for addition. This is a minus sign. It is used for subtraction. We'll be doing that next week. And this is an equal sign. It is used to show that the two or more numbers are equaled in value, which means it comes up with a sum. This is a piece of candy in this book. We counted and added with Hershey Kisses chocolates. And this is the clown. There will be no clowning around in this book. This will be a serious math book. We will have to see. Okay. It says, let's start off with a very simple equation. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Adding two or more numbers together is called addition. This is an addition book. So you can see 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. When the number on each side of the equal sign, they have the same value, it's called the equation. There is another simple equation. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this number is the same amount as this number. So you can see that you have 3 here and 3 here. 3 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 4. In math, we say the sum is 4 or the total is 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. That is an easy one to see. Look closely though. If we keep on adding 1 to it, it is just like counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting by 1 is the same as adding 1 at a time. So every time we count, we're just adding 1 more at a time. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Basic math is called arithmetic. Arithmetic is addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Reading, writing, and arithmetic are very important. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Uh-oh. Here comes some guy with a pie. Hey, that rhymes. No pie throwing. Splat. Oh no. You clowns, please stop goofing off while kids are learning basic addition facts. So even though there was a clowning around in some rhyming words, 6 plus 1 is 7. So we're adding 1 more to 6. Okay, you get the idea. Here are all the equations you can find when you add the number 1 to each of the numbers 1 through 9. In each equation, we can switch the numbers we are adding and still get the same answer. So look. So we have 1 plus 2 here, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, but 1 plus 2 is 3. So it doesn't matter which one comes first. The answer is still the same. Again, that's just adding 1 to each one. Oops, we forgot a very important equation. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And if you have nothing and then you add nothing to it, you still have nothing. 0 is a number, but it has no value. 0 pieces of candy is a sad thought, though. But then again, if you have 1 candy and you add 0 pieces to it, you still get 1. So if you see, anytime you add 0 to a number, you get that number. That is your sum. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Toot toot, all aboard. We are now doing equations that add the same numbers. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and when you add two numbers that are the same, it's like doubling the numbers. And in school, we call them double facts. 3 plus 3 equals 6, and if you put the answer first, it's called reversing the equation. 6 equals 3 plus 3. 6 equals 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4 is just 4 plus 4 is just one of 9 addition pairs that add up to 8. 0 plus 8, 1 plus 7, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 1, and 8 plus 0 all notice 8. Did you notice a pattern? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Hooray! The clowns made it to 10. A double-digit number, as you can see. The more candy we add, the more crowded the pages get. How do you like the arc? There is some more addition facts. Which clown's hairdo is your favorite? 0 plus 2 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. These are all adding 2, so that when you get to 6 and you add 2 more, it's 8. And then you start with the number again, and then here's 3. You're just adding 3 more. So here, if 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9. That's adding 2's and 3's. Each addition fact in this book is made up of addends and a sum. The addends are on one side of the equal sign and the sum is on the other. So in here, you've got 0 plus 4 as the addends and the sum is 4. So all of these you add 4 and all of these you add 5. So the sums, the addends are on this side. And here we've gone up to 15. Smooch, smooch, smooch. In the year of 1907, Milton S. Hershey began making a uniquely shaped candy, but he did not know what to call it. The machine that poured out milk chocolate sounded like this: smooch, smooch, smooch. The sound gave Mr. Hershey an idea. He decided to call his new candy Hershey Kisses. Of course, equations can be done vertically too. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Whoa! We have a mistake. There is no need for an equal sign next to the sum when adding numbers vertically. What is above the line and below the line is equal. So this is called vertically. That's when you put the numbers on top of one another. There is no equal sign like this. That would be considered the equal sign. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's better. We've removed the equal sign. A group of sevens plus a group of sevens equals 14. Grouping can help you organize and count and add. So we're grouping 7 over here and 7 over here. And if you start with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Did you know that math is an abbreviation for mathematics, the study of numbers, shapes, and quantities? If your profession were to study math, you would be a mathematician. If you taught math, you would be a math teacher. It is time to sneak a peek into a classroom. So when we go and learn math, you're called mathematicians. And there's a peek into a classroom. There's a teacher in progress. It's math time. The teacher is showing the students that you can add as easily or add as many numbers as you like. There can be big numbers, small numbers, hard equations, easy equations, lots of numbers, or just a few. So as you go through school, you're going to get to see more and more of these equations. We're just going to do one-digit addition. Sometimes you get digits, 3 digits, and then you learn how to do it with place values. You're going to learn all of this as you get older. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So there's a group of 9 here. There's a group of 9 here. So you can start with 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. While you're adding 9 plus 9, remember this: there's no such thing as the biggest number in the world. If you add one more number to it, the number becomes larger. 10 plus 10 equals 20. This is our first equation that adds double-digit numbers. Here is a challenge. Make simple equations by adding only two numbers at a time. How many combinations can you make using the numbers 0 through 9? The answer is hidden on this page. Here's a change of pace. Let's add three numbers. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. The math teacher might say we added three integers, or three single digits, or three added-ins. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. How can you add these numbers? We already learned that 1 plus 2 equals 3. We also learned that 3 plus 3 equals 6. You do not have to add all the numbers at once. Two at a time is fine. Like I said, these are things that you will be learning later on, just reading the book. All right, let's see. Are you afraid of big numbers? How about this number? 30 million. The Hershey Chocolate Factory makes about 30 million Hershey chocolate kisses every day. That's a lot of Hershey kisses. 30 million. Plus 1 equals 30 million and 1. Each piece of candy is wrapped in foil and topped with a Hershey Kisses flag. Delicious. We end this addition book with this equation. 3 minus 1 equals 2. If you have 3 pieces of candy and somebody eats one of them, you will have 2 pieces left. Hey, that's called subtraction. The end. All right, I hope that you liked our Hershey's Kissing Addition book. You'll have another worksheet to do for addition, and then a song, and you're done for the day. I hope you enjoy your Friday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I can't wait to see you back here on Monday. Bye, guys, until I see you again.